Welcome to the month of November where we give thanks at the end of the year. We give thanks for a lot of things. We give thanks for our family. We give thanks for our home. And as you give thanks for your home, let's make sure we show it the love and attention it needs. This is the perfect time to take care of things before those in-laws come in and let you know maybe you haven't been taking care of a couple things around the home. We can take care of that drywall, that wood rot repair. Make sure that deck is safe so you and your family can enjoy it. Go out there, maybe even fry a turkey, as long as you don't burn that house down. And you guys can enjoy some great food and fellowship with your family. One of the other things we put in this month's newsletter is some great ideas for small remodeling projects, either underneath stairs or unique ideas for mudrooms. Go ahead and check that out. Lastly, I want to give thanks to our team. You'll see some of our great reviews in there from our valuable customers, talking about Brett and Kenneth, and talking about Lagunda and Roby and all the other guys at our team getting mentioned in reviews really warms their heart. And we recognize those guys as we get together and train either once a month or once every other week. That way we can make sure that we celebrate not only ourselves, but our team. So let's give thanks not only to our friends and our family, to our team and to our home. And from us at the Trusted Toolbox, we hope you all have a very safe and happy Thanksgiving.